Hi, Acadiana. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Happy Tuesday to you and happy new month. It's July the 1st. This is Acadiana Weather Today. A short morning chat on your upcoming weather conditions and how they're going to affect your day. Another sticky one out here. We'll probably see some widely scattered showers and thunderstorms, but the rain chances will be going down and the temperatures going up as we head toward the 4th of July weekend. Might even be talking about a little tropical weather close to home too. We'll get to that in just a little bit. First, checking out the sky cam this time around. Generally fair skies, although it is pretty hot and sticky out here this morning. Most of our temperatures are running in the mid to upper 70s, but we do have some 80s there right along the coast. So far, most of the rain this time around has remained right there in the offshore waters off of the Florida Panhandle coast, and we've seen some widely scattered showers and thunderstorms in the offshore waters down near Grand Isle and south of the mouth of the Mississippi River. There's a front, though, back to our northwest that's going to start to push southward, while at the same time, we've got a big ridge of high pressure aloft that's going to take a better hold here over East Texas and western Louisiana as we go through the next several days. Not only will that prevent some of the rain chances, but our temperatures are going to be skyrocketing into the mid 90s as we head into the latter part of the week. At the same time, there's a frontal boundary that's moving through the Ohio Valley, pushing into the Tennessee Valley today. An upper low that's over Florida, producing those scattered showers and thunderstorms. That front will continue to slide off toward the south and again might end up bringing a chance for some tropical weather to form either over the eastern Gulf or the far western portions of the Atlantic. But that front will also try to slide in some slightly drier air, while at the same time that big ridge of high pressure aloft is going to be expanding. So temperatures will easily climb into the mid 90s, and I think those heat index values by the end of the week might be pushing closer to 108. And that's where a heat advisory is triggered. So rains today pretty likely over the Gulf waters and over eastern Louisiana, and then as that front continues to push toward the Gulf Coast, we've got another upper trough that's kind of the remnants of what was Barry that's still bringing some rain over the Rio Grande Valley. But for us, we'll keep the chances for rain at about 30%. Best chance for rain will be over the eastern half of Acadiana, with lesser rains as you go farther to the west. And those temperatures are going to be very warm, expecting highs in the low, maybe even some mid 90s over central Louisiana as we go through the day today, and then only dropping back into the 70s for nighttime lows. So really not cooling off a whole lot. Meanwhile, the offshore waters, we've got some rough seas still there along the Mexican coastline, but locally our seas will be 1 to 2 feet with our winds out of the southwest at about 5 to 10 knots. And those thunderstorms will continue there over Florida with that upper low that's spinning over the peninsula right now. And still a lot of rain there along the Mexican coast associated with the remnants of Barry. Meanwhile, the rest of the tropical Atlantic looks okay. We've got a few tropical waves moving across the Atlantic, but I think we're going to focus more of our attention there over the southeastern United States associated with the front. It's going to be coming in over the course of the weekend. Right now, most models are indicating any development will be over the eastern waters in the Atlantic, but there's a few that develop a low pressure area over the extreme northeastern part of the Gulf. That is something we've been talking about for about a week now, a little over a week actually. We'll go through all the different models later today at noon live on Let's Talk Tropics right here on Acadiana Weather Today. Your high getting up to 92, still a 30% chance for showers and thunderstorms. Best chances, of course, are going to be over the eastern area, so parishes that border the Atchafalaya Basin will have better chances for rain, lesser as you go farther toward the west. 93 tomorrow, 94 on Thursday. Even though there's still a chance for an isolated shower or thunderstorm, most of us are going to be staying dry as we go into the latter part of the week, and those temperatures will be pushing well into the 90s. And that heat index value will probably pushing 105 to 108. So some very summer-like temperatures for the 4th of July weekend. Well, I hope you enjoy Acadiana Weather Today. If you do, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on those notifications. Remember, you can hear my forecast daily on Big 102.1, Planet Radio 106.7, and Freedom 95.1. Also follow my social media pages for any updates on Facebook and X. And thanks to everyone who's already subscribed to Acadiana Weather Today right here on YouTube. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Have yourself a great Tuesday. I'll see you at noon for Let's Talk Tropics, and if not, I'll see you on Wednesday.